Stretch them out and clear the ammo boxes.
No.
Tell me that's not awesome.
No.
That's pretty awesome.
It's awesome.
Oh God!
Trying to attack me? What?
Yeah, it seemed like the most logical thing to do.
Come on, it's a great idea. We're trying to break the car before we do the awesome trick. Alright, so we need some elevation.
Oh God, dude, that's gonna hit the top of that ramp and just tip over.
Yeah, you probably
Make sure I'm not scratching the shit out of that thing.
out of this thing?
Yeah.
We can just turn it over the other way.
You did just there at the end a little bit. It's not
Okay.
real bad.
Alright, that's
But it's
good.
got two sides.
I was just making sure.
I'm serious, man. It'll be awesome. Let's do this. I mean, come on.
We're recording? Okay. Hi, I'm Rabbit from the Marauders. Hi, I'm Rabbit from the Marauders, here with Sparky. We're at Xtreme Airsoft in Gabriel Plaza in Bridgeport, West Virginia, attempting the world's longest RC car jump that we are aware of.
With a drift car.
With a drift car. That's Sparks.
That's the Lightning APX Drift.
Available at
Xtreme Airsoft.
for
$139.99.
$139.99. We are jumping 4 ammo boxes. It might be the world's longest indoor RC car jump
With the drift car.
with a drift car.
Have to throw that in.
Let's see if it works. The tension's really high. Booyah! To answer the question, yes, it works. And it drives away. So what do you say, since it easily cleared 4 sideways? We up game.
We're going to 5.
Oh, we don't have a 5th one.
Just grab some of the other ones. They're similar. Not that one. The ones underneath it.
You mean the one that just opened?
Well, close it. I gotta do all your thinking for you?
What?
Huh?
What?
Hmm?
So we're clear the purpose of this demonstration is to test the durability of the
Lightning EPX Drift.
Lightning APX Drift Lamborghini.
And see if I have to buy one of those strongbows.
Nail it!
Quit destroying the track.
Evel Knievel didn't have to deal with this.
I couldn't see. Yeah, stop recording.
I know you've got 5.
You didn't record?
It's recording. 5! And in your expert Lightning EPX Drift Lamborghini opinion, is it still drivable?
Yeah.
Well, now I can't see it, but there you have it. Lightning EPX Drift Lamborghini available at Xtreme Airsoft in Bridgeport, West Virginia for the low, low price of
$139.99.
$139.99. One in stock. See it sitting right there? He just did it again. Hadn't jumped it yet. Come get it.